Welcome to UK Immigration Solicitors, your trusted partner in UK immigration matters. Today, we're addressing a topic of great importance, the UK Child Dependent Visa. If you're looking to bring your child to the UK or ensure they can stay with you, this video will guide you through the essentials. The UK Child Dependent Visa allows children to join or remain with their parents in the UK. This visa is applicable to dependents of individuals who are British citizens, have settled status, or hold certain types of visas, such as the skilled worker visa. The child must be under 18 years old at the time of application. They must not be married, in a civil partnership, or living an independent life. The parent they are joining must have lawful status in the UK or be applying for a visa at the same time. The parent must demonstrate the ability to support the child without recourse to public funds. It's crucial to provide evidence of a genuine and subsisting relationship, such as birth certificates, proof of custody, or shared financial responsibilities. Valid passport for the child, birth certificate or proof of parent-child relationship, evidence of the parent's immigration status in the UK, financial documents proving the ability to support the child without public funds, proof of adequate accommodation in the UK. Ensuring all documents are accurate and complete can significantly streamline the application process. If your application is refused, you may have the right to administrative review if you believe there was an error in the decision. Appeal, particularly if the refusal impacts your human rights. It's essential to act promptly and seek professional legal advice to navigate these processes effectively. At UK Immigration Solicitors, we've assisted numerous families in successfully obtaining the UK Child Dependent Visa. From preparing a robust application to guiding you through appeals, our experienced team is here to support you every step of the way. Have questions or need personalized assistance? Contact us at 02384439 or visit our website www.ukimmigrationsolicitors.co.uk for a consultation. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel at UK Immigration Solicitors for more expert immigration advice.